Hello, everyone. Welcome you back to our YouTube channel. So, as you all know, this is the channel that we give you every business tips, business knowledge, business insights, business information. Your compliance is very key. You are very important to us, and that is why we are your strategic business growth support partner, and have deliberately, it's a deliberate effort made to ensure that you are well positioned, you are well informed, and you get all your strategies spot on. Because compliance in this year 2026 and beyond is an asset and it protects you 100%. We have over 260 videos on this YouTube channel, and you will do well to watch all these videos because this video will help your business to thrive, to grow, to remain compliant, very importantly, sustainable. So as you can see on the topic of today, before we delve into today's topic, please, if this is your first time of joining us on this YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with other business owners, professionals. So it's about uh, structuring your payroll, structuring your payroll for deductions for you to get maximum tax reliefs and exemptions in Nigeria. Yeah, thank you for joining Abdul Kadri. Thank you for joining us. We appreciate you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you may be joining from all over the world. So this is a global platform. People from Australia are watching us right now. Africa, they are watching right now. Yeah, I'm very good. Thank you very much. How are you doing too? Thank you for joining us. We appreciate it. So people from Africa, Nigeria, Asia, Australia, America, of course, they are watching us. So we are committed to helping businesses. That is what this channel is all about. So if you are a business owner, if you are a professional, and of course, if you are an entrepreneur, you are part on this channel. This channel is for you. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and please help us share this YouTube channel to those that are engaging in businesses, enterprise, professionals, anybody from any field, from any sector, from any industry. We provide an insight, a clear clarity knowledge on how you can position your business for growth, remain compliant, and of course, continue to sustain your business to the foreseeable future. From India, thank you for joining us. We appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. How is India? How are the people of India? How are they doing? So thank you for joining us. We appreciate it. Help us share it with other business owners around you. So it's about structuring your payroll. So payroll, structuring your payroll for statutory deductions in order to get the maximum reliefs and exemptions in Nigeria, in any part of the country you may be operating from. So we'll still delving into today's YouTube live streaming. So structuring payroll statutory deductions for maximum tax reliefs and exemptions in Nigeria and any parts of the nation you are watching us from. So hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you anywhere you may be joining us from all over the world. This is John Consulting. We are your strategic business growth support partner, your trusted partner in accounting, in taxes, in auditing, in payment management, business advisory, and everything that revolves around your business. We are your trusted strategic partner. So in today's live streaming session, we'll be discussing a very important topic. It is a very important topic, and we want you to get everything. So, discussing a very important payroll topic, right? So, it's how to structure your payroll for statutory to maximize your tax reliefs and exemptions. That is what we are talking about. And of course, if you are a business owner, if you are an entrepreneur, if you are a professional, you will have one or two things. Of course, you will be having everything to do with. That is why this topic is very, very important. So many employers and employees focus on salary payments without paying attention to legitimate tax reliefs available under the Nigerian laws. Proper payroll structuring can help employees reduce taxable income while ensuring full compliance with statutory regulations. This is how important this very topic is to you right now as we stream on this topic. So now, by the end of this video, you will be gaining an insight on the key statutory deductions available in the Nigerian Tax Reform Act. So the available tax relief and exemptions, you will get to know that on this streaming. How payroll should be structured for compliance purposes, and the common payroll mistake employers avoid. So that is what you will be getting in today's live streaming. So what are payroll statutory deductions? You need to understand the concept so that you can know how to apply it correctly into your business. So payroll statutory deductions are mandatory deductions made from employee salaries and remitted to the relevant tax authority. So they are mandatory, they are compulsory. It is what you must do, because failure to do it will amount to penalties, will amount to you defiling the law, not complying to the law, and there will be a stringent penalty for that if you don't comply. So that's why this payroll statutory deduction is very important. So what are these statutory deductions? Number one, we have payee tax, pay as you earn. Very important. We have the pension contributions, the pension contributions. Then we have the National Housing Fund, NHF. Then we have the National Health Insurance contribution. We have life assurance as well. So this is very important statutory deduction. And of course, we also have the induction training ITF, which is done once a year. So please do well to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's move on. Why payroll structuring matters? Why payroll structuring matters? Why does it matter? Why is it very important? Why about it? So a poorly structured payroll can result in one, excessive tax bills, employee dissatisfactions. You will see organization, the employees will be coming to the HR or the finance department, account department. My money was deducted. My money deducted. What is happening to my money? What happened to my salary? That they will be dissatisfied if this payroll is not structured properly. Then there will be tax compliance risks. There will be tax compliance risks. Then penalties from regulatory authorities. There will be penalties. A poorly structured payroll, a proper structured payroll will ensure one, accurate tax computations. If your payroll is properly structured, there will be accurate tax computations. Then maximum legal tax reliefs. You will enjoy maximum tax reliefs, and there will be improved take home pay. That take home is very important to the employer. There will be an improvement on it if the payroll is well structured. Then there will be full compliance with tax regulations. Full compliance with tax regulation. So the key deductions that attract tax reliefs, we will be sharing it right away. The deductions that attract tax reliefs, we'll be sharing it now. The first one, pension contributions. So if you are paying pension to your employees, it is a big tax reliefs that you can enjoy. So employee pension contributions are deductible for tax purposes and reduce taxable income. When you are paying pension, that pension is a relief to reduce your employee tax liability. So this means that before payee is calculated, eligible pension deductions are considered, thereby reducing employees' tax burden. Reduce employees' tax burden because you have come and you are paying these statutory deductions. So example is this. We normally give practical examples. You need to watch all our videos, over 260 videos we have streamed live on this YouTube channel. You need to watch it. So example, monthly gross salary is 500,000. Employee pension contribution is 4,000. Tax is calculated after deducting eligible pension contribution, reducing taxable base. That means before you calculate tax on the 500,000, you must first deduct the 4,000 of the employee pension from the 500,000 before you start calculating the tax that will be paid on that salary. So number two is National Housing Fund, NHF. National Housing Fund. So contributions made to NHF qualify as deductible payroll items and reduce taxable income. This is very important. So the benefit includes one, access to mortgage financing. You have access to mortgage financing. Then you have tax relief opportunities. Then there's long-term housing benefits on this NHF. Number three is health insurance contributions, a powerful statutory deduction to reduce your taxable income. So health insurance contribution, approved health insurance contribution deductible from taxable income to be properly captured in payroll system. Your payroll experts, payroll professional, you can reach out to help you reduce your taxable tax liability on your payroll. Is very important. So we help businesses structure their payroll to reduce their tax on the payroll. So these help employees both healthcare, you enjoy healthcare and you also save. Then number four, life insurance premium. Life insurance premium, powerful statutory deductions to reduce your tax on your payroll. Where employees participate in approved life insurance scheme, the premiums may qualify for tax reliefs under applicable tax provisions. So it is an acceptable and a deductible tax deductions if you are enrolled in life insurance premiums. So payroll structuring best practices. Payroll structuring best practices. So you must take note of this. Separate salary components clearly. You must separate it clearly. That's why we are available for you to help you structure your payroll for maximum tax reliefs benefits. Your payroll will clearly distinguish one, basic salary, two, housing allowance, three, transport allowance, four, utility allowance, then five, leave allowance, then six, pension contribution. This is where your statutory deductions column comes in. Then your NHF deductions, your health insurance contributions. So you properly classify this, it improves transparency and compliance. So it maintains accurate employees record, which is very important, and employers should keep this following: pension enrollment records, you need to keep information, the records. NHF registration details, you need to keep these records. Then your insurance documentations, all this information, all these documents are very important. It is an evidence to enjoy tax relief and defend yourself when tax audit comes in. So your tax identification records, this will support tax audit and payroll review. So you need to automate payroll calculations using payroll software. You can reduce it. It helps you to reduce human errors, tax mistakes, late remittances. So automation also ensures reliefs and exemptions are properly applied. This is what automation will do, and we do that professionally at Ozone Consulting. The common payroll mistakes you must avoid. Common payroll mistake you must avoid: calculating payee before statutory deductions. You must avoid failure to deduct pension contributions correctly, then omitting NHF deductions where applicable, poor payroll documentations, late remittance of deductions, you must avoid it, then failure to update structures when tax laws changes, like tax law changes since 1st of January 2026 in Nigeria. So organization, businesses that are still using their old payroll and they have not implemented the new tax reform into their payroll will face compliance risks, will risk penalties, and this will not be healthy for the business. So moving on, we have tax reliefs and exemptions employers should know. Tax reliefs and exemptions employers should know. So the current Nigerian tax reform provide several reliefs opportunities, and they include one, pension contribution deductions. These are deduction for tax purpose. NHF contribution deductions. Health insurance contributions are allowed to reduce your tax liability on your payroll. Then we have exemption that qualify exemptions that qualifies for low income earners. The exemption that qualify for low income earners, those that are earning low income, they have so tax free treatment of approved pensions and gratuities under relevant laws will also help in reducing your taxable income on your payroll. So employers should review payroll structures to ensure these benefits are fully utilized. It is when you structure your payroll properly, you will be able to enjoy maximum benefit of tax reliefs. So as we conclude on this live streaming, payroll is more than salary processing. It is a strategic tool for compliance, employee satisfactions, tax optimization, tax reliefs, tax exemptions. By properly structuring your payroll, statutory deductions, organization can one, improve employee take-home pay, two, reduce compliance risks, three, maximize available tax reliefs, four, enhance payroll efficiency. So Atto Consulting will help you build a structured payroll, will help your business to design a compliant payroll systems to manage your statutory remittances, to optimize your tax positions, strengthen your internal control. And this is very important. So the call to action here is that if you found this video valuable, of course, this video is valuable. That is why we have brought it for you. So please ensure you like this video, subscribe to Dozon Consulting YouTube channel, share this video with business owners, HR professionals, accountants, business owners, and payroll officers around you. So if you have a question on this live streaming, please do well to put your question on the comment box and we'll attend to it. So thank you for watching, and remember, at Ozon Consult, we turn compliance into business advantage. Thank you very much for joining us on this tutorial. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.